First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the phone transfer page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare phone transfer installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer data from OnePlus to iPad, run the software. Connect your OnePlus phone to your computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize your OnePlus phone. After successfully connecting, link your iPad to the computer with a workable USB cable and unlock it. Once connected, check off the data types you want to transfer on the interface, then click Start Copy. The software will start to transfer the chosen data types from your OnePlus phone to your iPad. It will take some time, please be patient. Click OK when the data transfer is finished.